Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start first of all with the internet connection. You have to make sure that you've got one. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. And the second thing you have to remember about is the Google account. So of course, if you've got your Google account applied to your device, you can check how to do it using our tutorial, which is tightly connected with this model, with this device. And if you've got the Google account, you can follow all of my steps. If not, you will have to do it right now. So either create new account or log in, because if you will not do it, you will not be able to use anything from the Google Play Store. After logging, simply tap on the circle, which is basically your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and as you can see here, we've got the list of installed apps, and after tapping on Updates Available, you can check which one you can update, obviously. So of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps. If not, just find yours, like maybe, for example, Google Chrome, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and maybe Google Maps, and then simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be automatically installed to your device. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently, just do anything you want, and after a while you will have the updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.